the sewer line here at 8025 Jones Avenue. Hold on, I want to zero out the camera. Zero out the footage. Okay, so there's the clean out here in the basement. We're going down. This is going to be a video I'm making before jetting. So get a look at the line before we jet. So we go into concrete there. There is a pool of water here. I'm not sure. And some rocks. I'm not sure if we're still in pipes intact on the ground bottom there. Hoping so. Here's quite a bit of dirt and rocks. I got the skid on the camera, so I'm not going to be able to get by that, but we're going to try to jet that. So about 27 feet, we got significant blockage and waste and dirt. So we're going to try to jet that out, blast it all through, and hopefully open up the line here. That is the idea today anyway. I just wanted to give an idea of what it looked like before we get started, and then I'll take another one at the end, hopefully with good results. Okay, that's the end of the video.